So yes, this is Philip, and thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for joining me on this amazing adventure. And yeah, it's really fun driving here, and so glad that you join us. So yes, I'm an English teacher here in South Korea, and I've lived here for 10 years, and I like to go on great adventures here in your beautiful country. Or if you're abroad, I really recommend you come to South Korea and live in the mountains. That would be awesome. All right, guys, I'll update you very soon. All right, thank you. And we continue on our journey, and I hope you're having a wonderful day. Okay, now we got some clouds covering the mountains. It's a really beautiful, beautiful day in Gangwon-do, South Korea. You guys enjoy this journey with me. This is a beautiful drive. I hope you can do this one day. So we're going to the Djangjung Valley. So yeah, you can do many things here. This place has 5 stars, so it's a super popular place. And there are many valleys here, which makes Gangwon-do very special, because the valleys are beautiful. The scenery is beautiful. So please subscribe to my channel and put a like so we can get more people watching this, because very few people come here throughout the summer in South Korea and around the world. But I'm the one that does. So please subscribe and like so many people can see it, in order to make the world a more beautiful place. Okay, so we arrived here, and here's the map, the Gangwon Valley. All right, now we gotta find some parking. All right, here is the welcome gate. These are all the things you can see and do here. All right. And you see people enjoying the falls. Amazing. And everyone has a phone on. Hello, I'm Philip again. We're in Gangwon Valley. As you can see, it's a very beautiful place. Here we have a camper here. And there's so many campers here. So I really recommend you come here to go camping by the road. You can just park your car here and set up your tent. Have a good time. All right, let me give you a tour as we go by. I saw some Twinjan Chige shop, so I may check that place out. So let's go. So here we are, beautiful falls. Mist coming from the river, so beautiful. There's, I think, a place to eat lunch over here, so I'm gonna check it out. Smells so good, so let's check it out. All right, so we have a beautiful flowing river here. And wow, what a great place to eat your lunch. I'm looking for Tolbo Shikdang. And so I went up here, and this is not the place. So does anybody know? Is it up here? I don't know. How much money do I have? I only have 6,000 won. And that's not enough these days because of inflation. Even by the river, 6,000 won may not be enough So they want your money. Especially since they don't have many guests. Anyways, it's a beautiful, beautiful place. I can eat later. Save my money for gas to get home. Beautiful. Oh, it's so fresh, the air. In the food, smells very good in these min box over here. It's very nice. Oh, I dropped Chunwon on the floor. Or maybe I found Chunwon. What a beautiful place. You can feel the mist and the coolness of the nature on your arms and on your shoulders, and it gives you a beautiful feeling, right? You can't reproduce this. This is nature, God's creation. All right, here's my key. We're gonna continue on forward and see if we can find some lunch to eat. Yes, all right. So there are a lot of little villages and pensions. Wow, beautiful. Look at this, this is nature's garden. Here is a beautiful garden. And it looks like it's closed at the moment. And it's called the Natural Garden. So there's a lot of places to sleep, so you will definitely find a place. So there's just pensions all around here. I didn't realize there was this culture of camping by the river in Korea until I came here. So I'm just going, where I go. So I'm just gonna stop looking at the map and enjoying my journey. My tire holds up, my car holds up. I get one shot at this adventure, so gotta make it epic. Definitely need to turn around. So yeah, I think all the campers are in the back. Here it's just green. Okay, here's another pension up here. Staying. So the little kind of small little houses and huts. They call them min box. A lot of people stay in these. Having a good time. Perhaps, yeah, I'm going to take a turnaround and I'll show you. Alrighty. Well, never mind. There's just so much beauty. How can I just turn around? Yeah, so yeah, camping over here. Maybe you see these campers by the lake. Wow, that's kind of cool. So I'm slowly making my way around. If I dip my car, I really don't care. I believe in just running down this forest, and just enjoying it. Ooh, and what do I do here? I guess I have to go backwards. Okay, I'm gonna be nice to this man, and I'm gonna go back. Okay, well, he just kind of went his way, so I guess I'll go mine. So yeah, I really wish I had a Jeep. But this is a car, and this is what you got, and this is what you invest in. Continuing on from here. Yeah, I really never tried it. I really just took on the rest of it. Alright, it's just really beautiful here. And I'm not the only one doing this. Everybody else at the either is struggling just doing nothing. I'd rather do something than nothing. Okay, I think I gotta turn back. Go up and then turn back. Unless someone calls me, I will go forward. Wow, beautiful. If I'm on private property or something, I'm pretty sure I will do that. Wow. Every time I say, I'm gonna turn back, I run into something better. So this is way better. Ooh, look at this narrow road. I'm not sure where this leads to, and I have no idea what I'm doing. And I don't know where I'm going, but why not just take a risk? Why not just go straight and be comfortable with the unknown? You guys comfortable with the unknown? You may be in the city, uncomfortable with the unknown. Yeah. Now this is an adventure. Okay, just started. Woo. Very good. This is the adventure. This is the journey. This is. And I hope a deer comes or a bear jumps on my car. Or snakes. Alright, this is the dream. This is what we dream. Go in the luscious green forest. This is the dream. Are you living your dream? I'm living mine. Alright. So Amelia Cindy, I hope you're watching this, making these videos. Surprised and pretty proud up there. Yeah. Alright, well, I think I reached like the end one. And so that is that. Alright, so I'm going up the mountain, guys. So I just talked to my fellow wonderful, beautiful Koreans. And this couple is so nice, they told me, yeah, basically this is up the mountain. Alright, I guess we're going up the mountain. Alright, hopefully I can get down in one piece. And I just passed, one car passed through, so yep. No problem. Okay, what's in the middle of the road? Okay, she's done. Okay, I'll update you. Enjoy your day. All right, so it's a one-way road, and I feel sorry for this couple that has to back up for me. Yeah, if I can get around, they can get around. That'd be great. This may be hard. All right, so we are here, and there's a Buddhist temple up here. So should I walk to it? Must be beautiful. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna park here and we're gonna go up to this Buddhist temple. And yeah, I'm so thankful to that camping family that yeah, they definitely helped me get out of that mess. And I hope I can be kind enough and patient enough to help somebody else. All right, guys. All right, I'm out in the middle of nowhere. I didn't think that I was gonna make it this far. I didn't know actually where I was gonna end up. It goes up to the mountain, you can keep going. And there's a Buddhist temple up here. So let's go check it out. All right. Yes, it's a little hike up here. So let's go check it out. Beautiful trees here. It's a beautiful day. And hope you're having a good day too. So we're in Djangjung Valley, and it's a beautiful place. Okay. All right, here you have it. We're basically out in the middle of nowhere. And yeah, pretty sure this house is abandoned. I don't know if anyone lives here. So yeah, this is beautiful. This is the most beautiful place I've been to today. So I've been 3 places, and this is the most beautiful. We're going up to the temple. Here we are. Okay, let's run up the temple. Run up to the temple. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.